Most of us are aware of the problem that plastic waste poses to our planet. But do you know that the amount of total plastics ever produced is equal to 8,300 billion tons, which is equal to 25,000 Empire State Buildings, or 1 billion elephants? More importantly, are you aware of microplastics, invisible in everyday life, but a true macro problem with significant influence on our everyday lives? Microplastic fibers are becoming more and more present in our waters, from oceans to our drinking water. They cause poisoning, infertility, and genetic disruption in natural life processes. Water is our source of life. Polluting our water with microplastics is already causing significant health problems to people all over the world. So this is your problem too. We have a solution. In order to better understand our solution, let's first take a closer look at the problem. Plastic is all around us. Did you know that an average washing load, 6 kilograms of fabric, can release 140,000 fibers from polyester cotton blends, nearly 500,000 fibers from polyester, and more than 700,000 fibers from acrylics? These released microplastic fibers end up in rivers, lakes, oceans, in the water that animals drink, the water that allows fields to grow, the water you brush your teeth with. In the end, these fibers enter the human body and cause our health to suffer. Together, we can solve this problem. And the solution is simple. All we need is an effective filter for removing microfibers from washing machine wastewater before it enters into our water supply. PlanetCare Filter. Built into your washing machine, this filter enables the stoppage of waste microfibers without the use of chemical agents. The central part of the system utilizes the fact that these fibers are electrically charged in order to perform microfiltration, which is further coupled with a nanoscale self-cleaning membrane. The filtration system for removing microfibers from washing machine goes through several steps until the perfect result is achieved. The filter retains fibers ranging from as small as 0.2 to 0.5 microns to those that are over 1,000 microns in length. All fibers are retained within the filter cartridge, which you can send back to the filter producer to be recycled using environmentally friendly methods. Though this technology is innovative and advanced, its usage in everyday life is simple and effective. Are you ready to help us make a change towards better, cleaner, and healthier waters? A change that matters today and will bring a better tomorrow. For more information, visit our site.